Oh my goodness, we lost a puppy. Wherever could he be? Are you under there? Are you under the blanket? You silly. What about you? Ow! Not the feet! Not the feet! That's what you get. That's what you get. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious, we're growing so fast. Hi, we're growing so fast. We're so rambunctious. Oh my goodness gracious, this is getting wild. Well, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Life with Labradors. These are our 5 black Labrador puppies, and today, who knows what we're gonna do, but it's gonna be a crazy video. We might have to bring out the claw. Gotcha! Gotcha! So make sure you guys stick around, enjoy the video. It's gonna be a rambunctious one, and leave a thumbs up. Why, oh why, do they always go after the blanket? What are you doing? Gotcha! 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 Who's gonna get the claw? Oh my goodness gracious. Gotcha! You want the claw, huh? You want the claw? You want the claw? Look at this. You are pulling the entire blanket. Oh my goodness gracious. This is so cute. You're so cute. Uh-oh. Now we got 2 of them. We're gonna play tug of war. Holy smokes. What in the world do you think you're doing? Boop. You're terrorizing the blanket. You're terrorizing the blanket. Well, I guess this is how it's gonna go today. This is how it's gonna go, huh? Hi there. Boop. Boop. Gotcha. 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 Oh my goodness. You guys are burning off all your energy this morning, huh? Oh my goodness, you're so cute! You're so cute! Gotcha! 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 Come get the blanket! Come get the blanket! Come and get it! Come and get it! Here we go. Uh-oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my goodness. You just give up like that? What in the world? Oh my gosh, your little hops are so cute. Oh my goodness, we lost a puppy. Wherever could he be? Are you under there? Are you under the blanket? You silly. What about you? Ow! Not the feet! Not the feet! That's what you get. That's what you get. Oh my goodness. We are on energy level 1000 this morning. Well, when you don't have any toys, I guess you make toys out of whatever you can find, and in this case, it's definitely the blanket. It's definitely the blanket and my feet. Oh my goodness. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Gotcha! I don't think you're going anywhere with this one because I'm stepping on it. Why do you guys have to ruin the blanket? It's supposed to be nice and pretty. Oh, you guys like the cameras. Ow. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? I guess we're not sure. Gotcha! Gotcha! Got your nose. Whoa! Your legs are going a little fast for our bodies. Hi. Hi. Gotcha! Ooh. I'm gonna get you. The claw's gonna get you. The claw's gonna get you. Get you, get you, get you, get you. Got your nose. Got your nose. Run away. No pants. No pants. No pants. No pants. Gotcha. Got your nose. Do you want the claw? Gotcha! Gotcha! Oh, you think the claw's friendly, huh? Gotcha! Gotcha! Okay. Okay. What are you doing? Run away! Run away! Gotcha. Okay. Okay. See, the claw's pretty friendly. See? What are you doing? Are you all tuckered out? Gotcha. Got your nose. Gotcha. I'm gonna get you too. Gotcha! You guys better protect each other. Whoa! It's getting serious around here. You better be nice. You better be nice, huh? Or the claw's gonna get ya. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're not going anywhere now. You're not going anywhere now. No cameras. No cameras. Everybody is on the blanket. What do you think you're doing? This is no toy. There's no toy. Gotcha. Where are you going? No, not again. Not again, no. Gotcha. The claw is gonna get you. No more blankets. No more blankets. Alright everybody, well that is going to wrap up our video with the cutest black Labrador puppies of all time. Hi, yes, I'm talking about you. And you. But thank you guys again so much for watching. We always appreciate it. Make sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to Life with Labradors, and where are you going? We got the zoomies, so we'll catch you guys in the next episode.